Hello there, Rochelle here with Dreaming English, and today I'm going to tell you a little joke or a little story. So when my daughter Kat was in preschool, the firemen came to her school for Fire Prevention Week. They asked the children, "Do you know what this is?" And this little boy, he raised his hand and they said, "Yes." The teacher said, "Yes, Johnny." And he said, "That's how Mommy knows when supper's done." Now, my family know what this is very well because quite often, sometimes I'm baking something or sometimes I'm cooking something on the stove and I forget about it, and before you know it, there's some smoke and these alarms, these fire alarms are going off and they're very, very loud. It's a good thing because if this fire alarm was going off and we were sleeping, they would wake us up and we would run out of the house to safety. So I have to remember next time that I'm cooking something on the stove to make sure that I'm watching and make sure that it doesn't start to smoke and that the fire alarm doesn't go off. Just like Johnny's mother needs to pay attention and remember that she's cooking something on the stove so that way Johnny doesn't say, "Mom, that the fire alarm is how my mother knows when the food is ready." Does anyone in your house forget about food on the stove and cause the fire alarm to go off? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell. So that way you don't miss when we post a new video. Thanks for watching.